In this video, you're going to learn how to make a cover for your sewing machine. Please see our website for more detailed instructions and a complete list of materials that you're going to need to finish this project. The link is in the description of this video. The first step is to cut the pattern pieces from our free pattern available for download. Cut the lining pattern pieces. Cut the fusible interfacing pattern pieces. Step 2. Iron the interfacing. Iron interfacings onto the wrong side of the fabrics. The fabric pattern pieces will need a medium weight interfacing, and the lining pieces will need a lightweight interfacing. Step 3. Make the piping. Cut the fabric into strips. Cut the cord. To learn how to make piping, check out our instructional video on our website. The link is in the description. Step 4. Make the side and front pockets. Cut the front pocket pattern in mesh. Cut the side pocket pattern out of clear vinyl. Sew slowly with vinyl because the fabric can be slippery. Hem or add fold-over bias tape to the top of the pockets. Match up the notches of the side pocket pattern pieces and the side fabric pieces. Base stitch the bottom and side edge of the side pocket to the side fabric pieces. Repeat this step for all pockets. Step 5. Pin the outer pieces together. Using the outer front and side fabric pieces, match the notches right sides together. Place piping between the layers of fabric pinned to hold. Ensure that the piping length is sticking out 1 inch or longer on both sides from where the fabric layers end. This will give ease from fraying or shifting when the piping is sewn. Tip. The raw ends of all layers should be facing the same way. With a zipper foot on, sew pinned area and backstitch where the fabric ends. Cut off excess piping. Repeat this step on the other side. Step 6. Pin and sew the lining pieces together. Using the lining pieces, match the front and the side right sides of the fabric together. Pin and sew pieces together. Repeat this step on the other side. Attach all pieces to finish the cover. Step 7. Attach all pieces to finish the cover. With wrong sides together, place the lining inside of the main fabric. Pin and sew the binding around the bottom edge of the fabric to complete. Your project is now complete. To find the pattern and to see more in-depth instructions, visit our website. Share pictures of your finished project and tag us at Fabricland Canada. We are so excited to see it.